Imagine if every time you sneezed, you teleported. Yep, you heard that right. Let the chaos begin. Meet Joe. Joe's chilling at home when suddenly... Achoo! He's now in a desert. Sand, camels, the whole shebang. Achoo again. Boom, bustling city. Traffic, noise, confusion, one more sneeze and Joe's in deep space. Gravity? Never heard of it. People start carrying pepper everywhere. Need to get to work? Quick sniff. Achoo! Scientists are baffled, trying to explain the sneeze portal phenomenon. Imagine sneezing mid-flight. Talk about a bumpy ride. No more allergy season. Just an endless adventure. So, where would you end up if you sneezed right now? Comment below and let's see who ends up in the funniest place. Stay sneezy, my friends.